Hi, I'm Ali, and in today's video I'm really going to help you with those fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead and also those 11s here. We're going to do some great fascia work, some lymphatic drainage and also some facial massage with our knuckles as well to really help reduce those fine lines and wrinkles without using any Botox. Now, I've been a facialist for the last 8 years and I really am passionate to help you on your skincare journey. So first things first, you want to start off obviously with clean skin and clean fingers. As always, I am using my nourishing facial oil cream here. It's a serum and I absolutely love it. And you just need a couple of drops. If you have your own face cream, that's fine too. I do love a facial oil. You do get a better slip and glide or a serum here. So very first, just gently applying to the forehead area. And then you just want to move the facial oil down by the side of the ears, down to the collarbone. I'll move slightly back here because the light has suddenly changed. Slightly better. I always like to work within having lots of natural light around. I don't like to be in a room just with a blackboard behind me or something. So I always like natural light. So once we've done that, we're taking our fingers and we're starting from the eyebrows and we're gently tapping in an upwards motion. And what we're doing here is really helping with blood flow and circulation to the forehead area. Really lovely, gentle taps. So once you've done that, I'm taking one hand here and I'm using it as an anchor. And now we're going to take our other hand and we're going to make a knuckle shape. And we're just gently massaging in a round circular motion on one side of the forehead. This is fairly light. Although we're using our knuckles, you don't want to go too heavy-handed. We don't have that much fat padding on our forehead here, so you don't want to be sort of creating any sort of red lines. So just really nice gentle massage with the knuckles here. And you want to try to keep your rest of your face nice and relaxed as well. And then fingers on the other side, knuckles on the other hand. Now, if you like, you can just make sure that your shoulders are nice and relaxed and maybe take a couple of deep belly breaths to really help with blood flow and circulation to the area. This really does calm down the nervous system. And then just massage it slightly upwards and outwards. Now we have a really great acupressure point here. So I'm just taking 2 fingers and just gently pressing. And then you can lift up and then press again. Just holding for a few seconds, lift up again and then just press. This also again calms down the nervous system, and we tend to sort of scrunch our eyes and our forehead particularly if we have a lot of expression within our face. So if we're quite expressive, you can end up with more fine lines and wrinkles, particularly if you're angry or even if you're very happy, but you just want to just keep the face nice and relaxed. And then we're just going to take the fingers and again just massage in an upward motion. And just glide out towards the temples. So now let's just do a little bit of fascia work between those 11s here and also the forehead area. So I'm taking my fingers and I'm going to make a crisscross shape. And we're gently just going backwards and forwards with the fingers and working in lots of directions, releasing any tight pockets of fascia here. And you want to work all along the forehead area. Now, I'm in my mid-50s and I've been doing these facial massage exercises and face yoga for years and years, since I was probably in my 20s. And it really does start with the younger you are, the better. But obviously, if you're older, there's always a good starting point. But I do believe in regular facial massage and lymphatic drainage as well to release any toxins and waste. Massaging all along. And then just massage it out again, upwards motion. Now we're going to do a really great forehead exercise here, which will really help strengthen the forehead muscles. So we're taking our fingers, interlocking them and placing them onto our forehead, shoulders nice and relaxed, head nice and straight, and we're just going to just gently lift up our eyes and come down. Lift up, come down, really strengthening the muscles here, the frontalis. Lift up, come down. Let's just do this 2 more times, lifting up. And at this time, let's just flutter our eyelashes a few times, lifting up, come down, and then again lifting up, flutter the eyelashes, and come down and release. And again, let's just work our facial oil into the forehead area. So I can see the sun moving now, sort of hitting my arms. So now we're just gently gliding in an outwards motion here. We're moving toxins and waste within the lymph, and the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin. And then just glide down to the temples, and let's just massage the temples, another great acupressure point, which really helps also with our nervous system. And then we're going to just take our fingers, our ring finger, and where the pupil of the eyes, let's just come up to just where the eyebrow is, and again a great acupressure point. Let's just give these a few gentle presses. Again, if you want to do a few deep belly breaths to also help with blood flow and circulation to the area. And then just massage again towards the temples. And then gliding down from the temples to the side of the ears. And we have plenty of lymph nodes here, so moving everything all along here, all the way down. And then you also want to come to the back of the ear here and just give that a little massage. Again, gliding in a downwards motion. And then with the flat of the hand, because we have more surface area, we're coming from the ear here, front and behind the ear, and glide down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And then again, with the other fingers, you can have one finger in front of the ear and the rest behind. Just gently glide down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. So for a final lymphatic drainage release, because we've done facial massage, a little bit of fascia work, we've also done a facial exercise to really help with those fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead area, we now need to do a final release to remove the toxins and waste we've moved all the way down. So where our collarbone is, we've got some indentations, and if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste into the rest of the body, ready for elimination. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, please check out my descriptions. I have my amazing nourishing facial oil, and also if you'd like to join my email list for weekly updates on facial products, latest products I'm using, and some more techniques, feel free to check that out as well. And again, please subscribe and share and like, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.